Hi everyone. So welcome for today's session on quantitative aptitude prelims mock test 7 paper explanation. So here question number 36 to 70 you have quantitative aptitude questions. So here first 5 questions 36 to 41. 6 questions are based on one pie chart. So total boys are in all schools together is 6,400 rupees. 6,400, sorry, rupees not. The percentage distribution of all total number of boys in 6 different schools is given. A, B, C, D, E, F. This total percentage by distribution, if you see, it is 6,400. If the ratio of boys to girls in school A and school B is 2:3. Okay, boys to girls in school A and school B is 2:3 and 3:7 respectively. Then find the difference of total number of girls in school B and school A. So if you see here, 100% is 6,400. 100% is 6,400. So 10% would be 640. It is 640. 15% would be 960. Okay, and this is 2:3. 2:3. Yes, number of school A total is 640. Boys to girls 5 parts 640. Am I correct? No, the data is given for boys. 640 is 2 parts. 640 is 2 parts. A boys is 640. So A girls would be how much? 3 parts, 960. So B boys is 960, which is 3 parts. So B girls would be 7 parts. 7 parts would be 7 into 320, which is 2240. Now the difference is asked. Difference of girls 2240 minus 960, which is 1280. So answer is 1280. Next, if the total number of students in school F is 820. 820. So if you see here, F is how much? 7.5 percentage. 7.5 percentage of 6,400 is actually 480. 480 is boys. F boys is 480. So F girls would be how much? 240. F girls would be 340 because it is 820 minus 480. So it is and it is given the girls in school F is approximately what percentage more than number of boys in B. Number of boys in B is already 960. So the girls in school F is approximately what percentage more or less. So 340 is less than 960 by how much percent? So 960 minus 340, difference by base value into 100. So it is 620 by 960. It is approximately 65 percentage. Option A. What is the average of total number of boys in A, C and F? A, C and F. 35 plus 10. 45 plus 12.5, 57.5. 57.5 divided by 3. 57 divided by 3. Am I correct? Divided by 3. So, am I A, C and F na? A, C and F man. A, C and F. It is A, C and F. It is 10 plus 12.5. 22.5 plus 7.5, 30% average, 30% divided by 3. How much? 10%. 10% of 6,400. How much? 640. So answer is 640. Next, 39th question. If the ratio of girls to total students in school E is 3:5. 3:5. 20% will be 1280, right? So here boys is 2 parts is 1280. If 2 parts is 1280, then 3 parts would be 1920. 3 parts would be 1920. 1920 and 1280, the total is 3200. Right? Now the thing is, find the difference of boys in school D. Boys in school D is 35%. 35 percentage of 6400 minus girls in school E. Girls in school E is 1920, already calculated. 35% of 6400 is how much? It is 2240. 2240 minus 1920, the value is 320. The difference is 320 here. Next question. Total students in another school H is 250% more than the boys in school B. The boys in school B. The boys in school B is 960. So 250% more than that. 250% more than that means you have to make it 3.5 times. 3.5 times of 960 is how much actually? 3360. 3360. So H total is 3360. And it is given that boys and girls the ratio 1:2. Thereby boys is 1/3 of 3360. 3360, which is 1120. So answer is 1120. Answer is 1120. If number of boys in school A, if number of boys in school A and school D together is 2/5 of the total number of students in both the schools, and find the difference of girls in school A and school D. So here no values here, the total value is not given. A total is how much? D total is how much? R total girls are how many? Nothing is given. So answer cannot be determined. 12 men can do a piece of work in 6 days, working 4 hours a day. Okay, 12 men can do a work 6 days, working 4 hours a day. How many days? 6 women can complete the same work, working 8 hours a day. If the efficiency of 4 women can do the same work as single man. So now 4 women is equal to 1 man, right? So I am making everything into women efficiency. So I can take here M by W is 4 by 1. 4 by M by W is W by M now. M by W is 4 by 1. 4 by 1. So man efficiency 4. 12 men can do a work in 6 days, working 4 hours a day. In how many days? 6 women can complete the same work, working 8 hours a day. 12 4s are 48, 6 8s are 48. So D is equal to 24 you got. So answer is 24. Answer is 24. Next, height of a right circular cylinder. Okay, whose volume is given. Volume is equal to pi r square h. Pi r square h, which is given as 500 pi. And here the height is given as 10. Is the height given 10? The height of A is equal to the diagonal of a square. Then find the radius is given here. Radius is 10. So pi cancel. So 10 square into h is equal to 500. That implies h is equal to 5 centimeter and is equal to diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square is now 5. Find the perimeter of square. If diagonal is 5, then the area of square would be area of square. It is the diagonal of square. Diagonal of square. If the diagonal is known, area would be 5 square by 2. Area would be 5 square by 2, which is 25 by 25 by 2. So now these things are not required. The area is needed to find out. Because when you know the diagonal is what? Root 2 into A. Root 2 into A is 5. So A would be 5 by root 2. Then by perimeter would be 4 into A. 4 into 5 by root 2, which is how much? 2 root 2 into 5, which is 10 root 2. So 10 root 2 is the answer. Now next. Selling price of 4 shoes equal to the profit on selling 12 sandals. Selling price of 4 shoes is equal to the profit on selling 12 sandals, and loss on selling 12 shoes is equal to the selling price of 6 sandals. Cost of a shoe is equal to 1/3 of cost of sandal. Then what is the ratio of selling price of shoes to selling price of sandal, given the profit percentage is equal to the loss percentage? So here what is given? The selling price of a shoe is 1/3 of sandal. So the cost price of sandal, if it is 3x, cost price of shoe, it would be x. Okay, and selling price of one shoe is A, and selling price of one sandal is some B. Okay, then what is given now? Here 4A by 12 into 3x into 100 is same as 6B by 12x into 100. 12x into 100. Okay, this is what is given. Now from this you have to find out A is to B. A is to B would be how much you are going to get? 12 cancel. So if you simplify, you will get 9 is to 2. A is to B is equal to 9 is to 2. You are going to get. Okay, that is the answer. 9 is to 2. Next, time taken by boat to cover 160 km upstream is 50% more than time taken by the boat while returning. So 164 by x minus y upstream is 50% more, means 150% of 164 downstream, x plus y. So from this what you can say, it is 3 by 2. So I can say here 2 into 164 cancel, 2 into x plus y is equal to 3 into x minus y. From this I got x is equal to 5y. X is equal to 5y, and it is already given y as 10. So 50 km per hour is the what? X value. Now what is asked here? Find the time taken by the man to cover 100 km in still water. So required time would be 100 divided by 50, which is 2 hours. 2 hours. So answer is 2 hours. Now question, exact value. Exact value how much? So the last value must be 46th question. What is the answer? 8 minus 8, 2 plus 2, 4. So this is not the answer, this is not the answer, this is not the answer. Is these two, out of these two, which is correct? Applies digital sum. 9 cancel, 9 cancel. Now here 8 plus 2, 10, 1 plus 8, 9 cancel. So 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 8. So 2, where you have digital sum 2 here. So 9 cancel, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4. So answer is option D. I am checking to digital sum here. So 5 square 25. 13 times. Okay. So it is 130. 130. It is how much? 8. How many times? 151 times. So 130 plus 151, which is 281. 281 is the answer. Next. 1156 under root is 34. Cube root of 1728 is 12. 28 30s are. So 34 minus 34 plus 12. 16 is the answer. 48. Then 49. 26. How many times? 26, 21 times. It is 21. Okay. 161 minus 21 is 140. 150 minus 140 is 10. So it is 100. Square root of 100 is 10. So the answer is 100. Now 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 2 2 plus 4 6. Now 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8. 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8 is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 plus 4 by 8 is 9 by 8. 9 by 8 plus 2 by 8 is 11 by 8. 11 by 8 means 1 3 by 8. So answer is 7 3 by 8. 7 3 by 8. Next, questions on numbers. 16, 8, 12, 24, 6. It is into 2.5. It is into 2. It is into 1.5. So it has to be into 1. So it has to be 8. 8 into 1 is 8. So answer is 8. Next, 201 minus 2. 192 minus 7. 192 minus 17. 175 minus 32. So what is the observation here? What is the observation? 201, question number 52. The differences, here it is 5, here it is 10, here it is 15. Next it has to be 20, 32, 20, 52. 52. So 143 minus 52 is 91. So answer is 91. Answer is 91. Next, 8, 14, 34, 76, 48. So here difference is 72. Here difference is 72. Here difference is 42. Here difference is 20. Here difference is 6. It is 2 3s are 2 square plus 2, 4 square plus 2, 6 square. Am I correct? 2 square plus 2, 4 square plus 4, 6 square plus 6. It is how much? 8 square plus 8. So here difference has to be how much? It has to be 0 square plus 0. So it has to be 8 only. It has to be 8 only. 5. So here what will come in the question mark? So 5040 divided by how much? Divided by 6. 840 5 times. It is 4 times. It is 3 times. 2 times. 14 by 2 is 7. So answer is 7. Answer is 7. Now 55. 55. 60, 75, 45, 60.75. 60.75, 40.5, 27, 18, 12. If you see here, 27, 18, it is 2/3. It is also 2/3. So you need its 2/3. 12's 2/3 would be 8. So the relation is next term is 2/3. Next term is 2/3. So answer is 8. Answer is 8. Now find the exact value. So 3 1 by 2 means 7 by 2 into 22 by 7 plus 5 3 by 4 means 23 by 4 divided by means into 3 by 46. If you simplify this, how much you are going to get? So 7 7 cancel. So 2 11s are 22. Now 23 1s are 23 2s are which is 3 by 8. So 11 3 by 8. 11 3 by 8. Option B. Next, 1280 divided by 2 cube. So 1280 divided by 8 is 160, and 1220 divided by 4 is 305 minus 182. So the answer would be 283. 283. Option C is the answer. Now 123 into 8 is 984 plus 2389 minus 1164. So what would be its value? It is nothing but totally you got 2209. 2209 square root is 47. So answer is 47. Answer is 47. Now 13 plus 2 root 5 whole square is equal to how much into root 5 plus 89? 189. If you see here, 13 to the 26 to the 52. Simply squaring it, a plus b whole square. 52 root 5. 52 root 5 you are going to get. Now question number 16. 8 root how much? Divided by 14 into 3 plus 9. So 8 root x divided by 14 into 3 plus 9 is equal to 21. Okay, so this value has to be 12. Yes or no? This value has to be 12. So 3 4s are 12. So this value has to be 4. So 14 4s are 56. So this value has to be 7. So x has to be 49. X has to be 49. Now 61 to 66. You have one more table here. What is the difference of total items? Total items sold by Amazon of type A and by Flipkart of type D. So here items A, B, C, D, E, total items sold here is given, and Flipkart and Amazon ratio is given. So if you see here, the total value is not given here. The total value is not given. What do we get? Table given below shows the percentage distribution of 5 items. Total value, yes, here it is given. Here it is given, right? What is the difference between total items sold by Amazon of type A, Amazon of type A, and Flipkart of type D, Total items sold is how much given here of all type. Total items sold by type A of Amazon is how much actually? Amazon is 4 by 5. 4/5 of. So here, is there anything else given? Nothing else is given. So if you see here, total is 100% now. So 22 plus 18, 40. 22 plus 18, 40. 40 plus 20, 60. 60 plus 1, 10, 70. So 70% is, 30% is 1260. So total 100% would be how much? 342. 342 are. So 4200. So here how much? 4200 is the total items sold. Total items sold. And Amazon would be how much? Amazon would be out of 4200, 10%, 420. In this 4 by 5, which is how much? It is 584, so 336. Now items sold by D Flipkart how much? 18% of 4200. 18% of 4200. In that 3/4. It would be how much you are going to get? 2 zeros cancel. So now how much we are going to get here? 2 2s are, 2 9s are, 2 21s are. So 21 9s are, 189 3s are, 567. It is asked for difference. 567 minus 336 is 231. 231 is the answer. Next, item C, sold by Flipkart is approximately what percentage of item E sold by Amazon? Item C sold by Flipkart. Item C sold by Flipkart is how much? 1260. How much? Item C sold by Flipkart. Item C sold by Flipkart is 1/3 of 22% of 1260 by 30 each percentage. Okay, this is 30 percentage. 1% would be 1260 by 30. So 22% would be 22% into this value. This is what percentage of item E? Item E means how much here? Item E sold by Amazon. Item E sold by Amazon is how much? 2 by 5. 2/5 of 20 percentage. 2/5 of 20 percentage of 1260 by 30. Okay, this is what percentage of this. So you can cancel these two. So now what you are going to get here? Approximately how much? It is 2 tens are and 2 11s are, and you are going to get 55 by 2. It is 3 into 2 is 6. 50 into 11, 550 by 6, approximately equal to 92%. 92% you are going to get. 92%. Next, question number 61 to 66. What is the average number of items sold of type A, C, E? Means 1/3 of each percentage is 1260 by 3. So what? It is given contribution 10, 20 and 22. So please see here what is the value you are going to get. 1/3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 14s are 140 into how much is this value? 140 is 30 na 00. So 14 into 42 plus 10, 14 into 52, which is 728. 728 is the answer. So option E. Next question. Find the ratio of items sold by Flipkart. Items sold by Flipkart of type B. How much? It is 7 by 10. 7 by 10 of 30. Okay, and here Amazon type D. Amazon type D is how much? 1 by 4th of 18. 1 by 4th of 18. This is 30%. This is 30%. This is 18%. Directly I am taking. So thereby you will get the ratio here 14:3. 14:3 is the answer. Next, average items sold by Amazon of type C and E is how much more or less than average items sold by Flipkart of A and B. So 22% of 4,200. 22% of 4,200 is 616. Next, in that 2/3, in the 2/3 is 616. Please see here, 2/3 of 22% of 4,200. Okay, plus 2/5 of 20% of 4,200. So C and E together by Amazon. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. How much you are going to get here? 1 by 2 into this value is 616. This value is 336. So average would be 476. Similarly, second one. Second one is average items sold of type A and B by Flipkart. Again, half of it is 10 percentage of 1/5 of 10 percentage of 4,200 plus 7 by 10th of 1260. So how much we are going to get here? Half of it is 84, it is 882. It is nothing but 483. The difference between these two. So answer is 7. Answer is 7 is the answer. Now question number 66. Item sold by type C. Type C, how much? 22%. Is how much percentage more or less than A? Difference by base into 100. You are going to get it as 120%. So answer is option D. Next, 20% of x plus 2500 is equal to 1/5 of x plus 2500 is equal to 2/5 of x plus 900. So from this you are going to get 2x minus x. X is equal to 700. If x is equal to 700, then 50% of x. 50% of x is equal to 350. So answer is 350. Next, in a bag there are x red balls, 5 green balls and 8 blue balls. So total x plus 13 balls are there. What is the probability of choosing one blue ball? One blue ball. The probability of choosing one blue ball is 8c1 by x plus 3c1, which is 1 by 3. 1 by 3, which is 8 by x plus 13 is 1 by 3. If you simplify this, 8 is 24, x is equal to 24 minus 13, 11. So x is 11. X is 11. Next, a sum of 1800 rupees is partly lent at 7% per annum and 9% per annum simple interest for 3 years and earning a total interest of 420 rupees. Find the ratio of the sum invested 7%. Find the ratio of sum, right? So here 420 is what percentage of 1800? If you see here, it is nothing but it is 6 3s are, it is 6 70s are. 70 by 3 means 23 1 by 3. 70 by 3, let us keep it like that. Am I correct? I think it is wrong. 420 is what percent of 1800? For 3 years. For 3 years 1400 means for 1 year 140. For 1 year 140. So 140 is what percentage of 1800? If you see here, it is how much? 140 by 18. So it is 270s are, 29s are. 70 by 9. So the cheaper is 7, dearer is 9, the mean is 70 by 9. The ratio 9 minus 70 by 9, 81 minus 7, 81 minus 70, which is 11 by 9 is to then 7 9 is 63, 70 minus 63, 7 by 9. So answer is 11 is to 7. 11 is to 7 is the answer. Next, average present age of a family including father, mother and son is 23 years. So their sum is how much? 23 into 3, 69. If a baby born after 4 years, then finds the average age of son and born baby age after 7 years, after 7 more years, given that average present age of father and mother is 27 years. 27 years. So present age of son would be this 69 minus sum of the ages of the father and mother, which would be 69 minus 54, 15 years. Age of son after 11 years. Present 15, So after 15 years, after 11 years, it will be 26 years. Now age of baby born is 7 years. Age of baby born is given as 7 years. Thereby the average of these two, 26 plus 7 by 2, which is 16.5. So answer is 16.5 years. Now 16.5 years. So with this, today's quant discussion is completed, right? We'll again meet with the next paper discussion. Thank you. Thank you so much.